How to set up a workstation for 3 computers and 2 screens? iDock B30 has you covered. Here's what you'll get in the package. Now we're going to set it up in 5 steps. These are what we have for the setup: a work PC, a game PC, a USB-C laptop, 2 4K monitors, and all the USB peripherals. Besides what we get in the package, we still need 4 HDMI cables for the setup. Step 1. Connect to both PCs. Connect to your first desktop computer to the KVM switch using 2 HDMI cables and a USB A to B cable. Repeat the same step with the second PC. Step 2. Connect your laptop. Use the USB C to C cable to link your laptop to the KVM. Plug in the Ethernet port if you need wired network connection. Step 3. Hook up to the monitors. Use HDMI cables to connect to 2 monitors. Step 4. Connect your USB peripherals. Now connect the USB devices that you want to share between 3 computers. Step 5. Plug it in. Plug it in and power it on. Now you can test the whole connection and see if the switching works well. iDock B30. Bring efficiency and elegance to your home office.